Fat Bobby, thank you very much for joining us. So we have some cards here with Portuguese words that I'm gonna
This Friday morning, evidence was discovered against Bolsonaro about the Amazon burns. The president completely denies all evidence, but a video showing the same setting fire to the forest leaves no doubt.
These forests, they have to end now. Petista vagabundo.
In addition to the video, there are also witnesses.
He going all day and all night and throwing fire at the forest is very scary.
No, I didn't do all of this. It was our petista, Dilma. Dilma did this, okay? These vagabundos, they have to end. Brazil is now mine. Those Indians, out to the trash. They are liars. They tell lies, okay? I didn't do this, no.
Well, he really burned a lot of the forest. More than 820 square kilometers was burned by Jair Bolsonaro. Well, the images by Luciano de Mello really shows how big the smoke was. This was Enrique Baiano from your local news. Good night.
All as planned. We burned the forest, and the fault is of the president Jair Bolsonaro. He's going to the ground. Now, the next step.
Christ the Redeemer.